Hey everyone, welcome back. If you use the Brave browser on multiple devices, like your PC and phone, and want everything synced, yeah, you're in the right place. In this full guide, I'll show you how to sync Brave across devices step by step in 2026. First, open Brave and go to Settings. Then find the Sync section. Click Start a new sync chain. This creates a secure connection between your devices. Now select the type of device you're adding, like computer or phone. Brave will generate a sync code or QR code. Yeah, this is used to connect your other devices securely. On your second device, open Brave and go to Sync, then choose Join Sync Chain. Scan the QR code or enter the sync phrase. Once connected, your devices will link instantly. Now select what you want to sync, like bookmarks, passwords, history, and settings. Check if your data appears on both devices. Yeah, bookmarks and tabs should show up automatically. You can repeat the process to add more devices to the same sync chain. If needed, you can manage or remove devices from sync in the settings anytime. And that's it. With Brave Sync, all your browsing data stays connected across devices, securely and privately.